It looks like my internet has finally kicked back on. Today, we're going to be working on this Kentucky quarter. I'm going to be making this into coinringmaker.com. The first step for making a quarter into a ring is punching a hole in it. So that's what we're going to do. We got 0 likes on this live. Y'all tap the screen for me just a little. There's our cool little horsey center punch. For those who are just joining in, I'm Coin Ring Maker. I make coins like this into rings. Today we're working on a Kentucky quarter. There we go, nice and smooth. Here's how it's looking so far. I'm using a doming block and a 1-ton arbor press to get that first fold done. Gives a nice even. There we go. Right now we've got it stretched out to a size 11. Finish it up. Back in the 17-degree die. There we go, right at a size 10. This will get a polish up before I send it out, but there is our finished coin ring. Again, if anybody would like to get one, you can visit coinringmaker.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time. Bye.